And the Kern County Board of Supervisors approved funding last year to construct 2 new inpatient psychiatric facilities. And this week, Kern Behavioral Health and Recovery Services will break ground, bringing an additional 32 beds to support those with acute psychiatric needs.
Having this additional resource continues to just round out our ability to respond at the time of need.
Kern Behavioral Health and Recovery Services is set to begin construction this week on 2 new inpatient psychiatric facilities. Director Stacy Kuwahara saying these facilities will provide services to those who have been identified as in need of the most care, providing the same medical intervention and stabilization as a hospital, but in a recovery setting.
So these are inpatient beds when somebody's going through an acute psychiatric crisis and they need a hospitalization. Then these are 2 additional facilities that are going to offer resources to them during that acute crisis in a really healing environment.
One facility will house and provide services for adults through telecare, one of the largest providers of mental support services for adults. The other will offer recovery services and care for minors.
We know that our children and youth are really suffering post-pandemic. This is a really important resource for them. And having that kind of crisis care when you need it is really, really important.
Behavioral Health and the county hoping these new facilities will also act as another step in addressing our homeless crisis.
So for us, this is very exciting because it gives us another tool in our toolkit to address all of the things that are going on for somebody who's experiencing homelessness.
Director of the Bakersfield Kern Regional Homeless Collaborative, Anna Lavin, says these facilities will be able to assist those homeless individuals experiencing mental health or recovery issues too severe for a congregate shelter.
In congregate shelters, what is provided is you have case managers and other folks, but they're not going to be trained to the level that you're going to see with behavioral health and recovery services.
A psychiatric health facility is still providing inpatient care, but it's not associated with a hospital, and so they really try to make it a very recovery-oriented time.
And Kern Behavioral is set to break ground on those new facilities tomorrow at 10 a.m. They'll be located at 702 Workman Street in Southeast Bakersfield, and construction is expected to last through at least the summer of 2023.